Bitcoin under pressure. We broke everything. You want to know the last information about the crypto world? Yes. Then smash that like button because it's time for crypto news found on the right, crypto a tope. What happened with Bitcoin? I'm gonna tell you everything about that. But first things first, let me tell you about Rand app because we love this app from our partners, and they are going to have their token for their pro version. We told you everything about that in the past. Most important thing is today is the last day you can go to the link below and have the private sale. So do that today. It's just hours away till it closes, 13 hours as I record this video. So run, because now it's going to be less than that for sure. And let me tell you today that run is going to have an airdrop. Are you interested in airdrops? Well, you have till October the 13th to follow the steps I leave you in the link below. So do both things, join the waitlist, join the private sale, and then just try to find that airdrop. This is not financial advice, but I did that, so do as you please. And I would recommend you also go into AI News, our artificial intelligence channel, because we have a pretty new video we told you in our Twitter account also, in AI News. Follow us there too, and there you have your brand new video. We are more than 1,000 riders already watching them, more than 500 views in just one day. So things are growing for AI. With AI, we can do things like this. Maybe you are obsessed with Bitcoin. Maybe you see Bitcoin where there's no Bitcoin whatsoever. What about this picture? You see also Bitcoin here? Well, maybe you need to go to a psychologist or a psychiatrist's ring. The thing is that we can use now technology with AI to create Bitcoin and have it undercovered, but also things like this. Try to tweak your eyes a little bit and you'll see a word there. Can you see it? It says obey. So you can see how they can manipulate us for good things like Bitcoin or for things like obeying. What do you think about that? So interesting. Some guy, Eric says, thank you, answered us on Twitter, on AI, our Twitter account, X account. And he said, we keep going deeper down in this rabbit hole. We see the AI. Things are getting exciting. I wonder what's on the other side. We wonder too. Good things, bad things, utopia, dystopia. We'll see about that. With the same technology, you can create things like this, which is awesome. You see how the AI is going to disrupt our world. I understand that. And I understand that Bitcoin wants to make us crazy, going up and down, now down. And we told you that we were at point of decision, critic point for Bitcoin in the $27,500 range. And we finally decided to follow the red arrow, which is not good. Much better would have been following the path from the last time we went up. If so, you can see that it was almost perfect for a breakdown here and going higher to $32,000, but we didn't broke that line and we went down. Now experts believe if we follow the other arrow, we might go as low as something like $25,000 and then try to break the line again. We'll see about that here in front on the right. Smash the like button. Remember that we have the legendary line for Bitcoin. We can't miss that one. And it seems clear that $25,000 is going to be a very interesting point. Dollar is the main reason why everything is going south. We have 2 days in the green now. So again, remember last video, our narrative that day for decision and previous day is red is not anymore in the cards. We had 2 green days as Jerome Powell left the rates unchanged, and we have 5.5% inflation. Powell admit inflation is still higher than desired. They'll be reactive and data-driven. More rate hikes can come in the future if needed. In conclusion, when COVID came, we print our way out of it. Inflation is skyrocketed, and now we have to raise the rate to fight inflation. and deal with the recession we didn't want it in 2020. Bitcoin is the solution for populistic files policy. Zero rates for a decade is not the solution to any problem. This is Seth's opinion. Very interesting. We had articles like this one on Bitcoin STEMI. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell speaks at critical press conference after interest rates decision. I ask Bard, what about it? If you don't know Bard, I leave you the link below. It's free. It's like ChatGPT. And I'm getting used to this. I know that AI and crypto news is now like kind of mixing together, but I need to warn you using this technology. After all, crypto news, fun on the right. The idea is to be on the vanguard of all this technology. So use Bard, and I just drop the article and say, just explain this to me like if I'm a teenager. So it did. And here you have the idea. The world has changed for investors because the Federal Reserve has said that interest rates will stay high for a longer period of time than they thought before. This is because the Fed is trying to bring down inflation, which is when prices for goods and services are rising too quickly. When interest rates are high, it costs more to borrow money. This can slow down the economy and help to bring down inflation. However, it can also make it more expensive for business or invest and grow. And it can make it more difficult for people to afford to buy homes and cars. The Fed's decision to keep interest rates high for longer is having a big impact on financial markets. Stock prices are falling, bond prices are falling, and the dollar is getting stronger. This is because investors are worried about the impact that higher interest rates will have on the economy. The Fed decisions is also having an impact on people's everyday lives. For example, it's becoming more expensive to borrow money to buy a home or a car. It's also becoming more expensive to borrow money for businesses. Overall, the Fed decision to keep interest rates high for longer is a significant change that will have a big impact on the economy and on people's life. And you have some examples there. The idea would be that if you borrow $100,000, now with these rates, you have to pay $1,000 more every month for your loan. And just picture a company that asked for $1 million, and now they have to pay $200,000 more per year for that loan. So crazy stuff, and this is it. This is the main problem. They say this is not disrupting, this piece of information is not disrupting the crypto market, but I see Bitcoin going down as it went down yesterday for NASDAQ, and you can see that today Asia is going up. So crazy world we are living in right now. For being optimistic, you have this line, $25,000 line, and we're still holding it. And also for the total market cap, we're still holding the $1 trillion. And also we are in the green in September, still 2.64% up. And also we have two interesting informations here, like Apple and Goldman Sachs. Apple and Goldman Sachs have teamed up to bring stock trading to your iPhones. And that can be the kicker, the gateway to easy crypto and ETF trading. So your iPhone just became a powerhouse for your financial future. Crypto will gain from this. We'll see about that. And more interesting is that PayPal is rolling out a PYUSD stablecoin, their stablecoin, to Venmo users. I asked ChatGPT and Bard if you don't know about Venmo. And again, so I compare Bard with ChatGPT. And you can see it told me from Wikipedia that Venmo is like Visum in Spain for United States. Also, ChatGPT 3.5 tell me the same. And I use Web Access to ask it. And also I used the Google possibility for ChatGPT. And with those alternatives, I had the same information. So I'm considering not paying anymore for ChatGPT 4. If you want to learn about all these solutions, again, go to AI News. I will tell you everything about that. There you have the link in the description below. The market is in the fear, and maybe it's because Mt. Gox is saying that it's going to be one more year till they give the money. All the time being scared about Mt. Gox, And now one more year for that wait. The market fighting for the green, the bubbles in the red, Lucy going up. Why is that happening? The most important ones in the red right now, Ethereum fighting to be in the green and also holding the legendary line, which is okay. And here Scalping Pro telling us that we are having the same path we had in 2019, and if we don't have a black swan, we might go higher now. We'll see about that. Optimism to sell $160 million in OP, its token, to 7 purchases via private sale. People believing this is okay because it's not in the supply already, and it's good for the project. Some of the people believe this is a bad thing. What do you think about that? And what do you think about DEXTools.io? I'm sure you love it. I see here in Hot Pairs that we don't have Pepe anymore. What's going on with Pepe? We'll ask our friends from DEXTools.io. In Galicia, we are going to be there. They released this video now, so you can know everything about BlockGalicia 28, 29, 30 in Santiago, in Galicia. I'm gonna be there. If you want to join me there, you have a 30% discount for your ticket, which is very, very cheap for all that you are going to find there. Also, even a gamer zone. So join us there. It's just 5 days till we are going to be there. And now, thanking our partners, it's time for coin tracking. Thank you very much. You have a 10% discount in the description below if you need one of the payment versions for this, which is my personal tracker for crypto and tax reporter, the one I recommend to myself. If you want to do things like myself, use it and use CoinX. You have the link below, and we are so happy to announce that they just have back deposits and withdrawals. So you can see that they are reliable, trustworthy, and an exchange that had a crisis but is overcoming it. So congratulations, and congratulations to technology developers like Tesla. Here you can see they're going to have an accident, a car crash, and thanks to Elon Musk, they won. And just ending with Audible and the memoirs of Elon Musk, and I'm enjoying very, very much. So you have the link to the book, or also Audible. Use our link and you help us indirectly. Thank you very much. Like, I thank all the community that shared things with me. El Groco is using technology now to watch our live on Twitch and also just do some sport at the same time. And thank you to Pedro that told me about IOTA. He believes we told you everything about it in this last video. He believes that it's okay, the airdrop, etc., but the most important thing is that IOTA just develops its product and its services, and it's just in the future as we expected. Also, Cesar, thank you very much for your comment. He believes that IOTA didn't fail that much with all that bad news. And, well, you can judge that for yourself. It's true, it went down, but maybe not so much, so maybe it will recover. Thank you all for your comments below. We will keep on learning through them. Watch all the videos, and now about the one with Friend Tech, also Raul Castillo telling us that if you want to talk with us, you can do that here in our show for free. And if you want to share some love with us, maybe you can use Brave browser and just have the video advertisements we have before and after the videos, not inside as other YouTubers have. So we have some tokens as a reward. And as a reward for you, I let you know that we have a new song from Shakira. So if you didn't listen to it, I love it, and I will listen to it 1,000 times. And now for all the cats you sent me, thank you. And if we said this guy with power to just make those cats go to the floor. Funny stuff. These guys trying to put with some help. Well, you need sometimes help in this market. That's true. Also, this guy that forgot its job. We have here a guy with a rat, and the cat is just trying to escape from that situation. What about this guy learning from its mother to do the first step in the crypto world. So funny. We need to keep on learning and also rest from time to time, like this guy that is asking just for 5 more minutes. Okay, let's have some rest. If you want this video in Spanish, go to Fun on the Right, our primary channel. If you want more in English, just wait till Monday, that we'll have more information here. Where crypto news, fun on the right, health, money, love, poverty in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!